Hi, this is Project Second Call Commerce for CS50w, which we create an e-auction site, and currently on our homepage. As you can see, we are now signed in, and next up we have some tabs here. First one of which is active listings, where all the currently active auctions are listed. Next up is closed listings, and then we have categories. You can search for listings with their categories. Like in fantasy, I have these two. Others are empty. Next up, you can log in and register to. I'll come back to it in a second. Let's go first to active listings and go to this listings details. Up here we have title, description, starting price, and other details for this listing. Down here you can see the comments that other users have made already, and you need to log into comment. And up here you can see that 2 bids have been made so far on this listing, and $60 is the highest current bid. But again, you need to log into make a bid. Then go to the second listing, and as you can see, this one is already almost a new listing, and there are no comments and no bids so far. Let's log in and make some bids. After logging in, you see that we have this box here to bid. Our bid must be greater than or equal to this starting price. If it's less than that, you'll get an error. It must be at least the starting price. After bidding, you can see that we have made one bid so far, and my bid is the current bid. And you can write some comments too. Like here. And you also get this button to add it to your watch list, which will add this listing to our watch list. Currently, we already have one listing here, this one. But if you click here, we'll have two here. And you can remove it too. And if I go to my first listing, you'll see that we have this close option button here. What does this do? This will close this listing and sets its status to closed and make the highest bidder the winner of this listing. And only the user who is signed in must be the user who made this listing to close this listing. And if I close this, you can see that its status is now closed. And if I go to active listing, there is only one. And in closed listing, we have the listing that we just closed. Now let me log out and go to my other account. And if I go to close listing and click here, you can see that it informs me that I have won this bid because this user made the highest bid here. And you can create a new listing too. Provide some title, some description, starting price, and select category. And you can add some image URL. And when you click on create that, you can see that we have this new listing. You can bid here because I made this listing. You can close it, add it to a document. You can do all of that. Because the currently signed user is super user, if I go to /admin route, you can see we have this Django interface where you can change all the details of your website. Like you can add categories, add comments or delete comments, add listings or delete listing, and everything else. And this website is also fully responsive. You can see that it looks good on every screens. Well, thanks for watching. Hope I have made a pretty good website.